Welcome to this video on smart home technology, an essential guide for the modern electrician. We will cover the fundamentals of home automation and the opportunities this growing field presents for your business. We are stepping into a digital toolbox. Understanding the basics of home automation is key to integrating these new technologies into your professional services. A smart home uses interconnected devices to automate tasks via the internet or local networks. For an electrician, this means shifting from simple circuit completion to managing entire ecosystems that demand reliable power and data signal integrity. Smart home technology is built on three pillars: hubs and gateways, the system's brain; sensors, which act as the eyes and ears; and actuators, the muscles, such as smart switches that physically control the electrical load. We use various wireless protocols. Wi-Fi is best for high-bandwidth devices. Zigbee and Z-Wave are great for long-range, low-power applications. Matter is the new universal standard for compatibility, and Bluetooth is used for short-range setup and control. Embracing smart home installations provides profitable service areas for your business. This includes everything from smart lighting and climate control to security and energy monitoring systems. In lighting, retrofitting switches often requires pulling a neutral wire to power the smart radio. For HVAC control, smart thermostats frequently require a C-wire to provide continuous power to the display. Security and energy are high-margin areas. Homeowners are requesting smart panels to monitor energy consumption. Hardwired smart doorbells and security cameras replace traditional low-voltage systems and offer significant installation opportunities. The market is growing rapidly. By 2025, 70% of new homes are expected to be smart homes. Being certified in these installs will separate you from traditional competitors and is a significant business opportunity. Some best practices for professionals include using deep electrical boxes for modules and always pulling a neutral wire. Also, ensure robust signal planning by avoiding metal cabinets and prioritizing a strong client Wi-Fi network. Adoption trends show a clear transition from optional luxury to a standard electrical requirement. As seen on this graph, market adoption is projected to reach near saturation by 2030, making this knowledge essential for the future.